the first part about vaccine safety, or for safety of any drug we have to use, is they have to test it appropriately before they start using it on people with diseases, and that's called phase 1. It's just making sure the drug is safe. Phase 2 is we're going to roll it out to people that could get the disease in vaccine cases, or we're going to roll it out to people with the disease. Let's say if you're learning a cancer drug or a heart attack drug. The third phase is the part that is already out in patients, we're already doing it, and we're just following along as we go. That's the phase we're basically in now. And that's the phase we would be in now no matter how long ago this vaccine had been put together. The fact is, phase 1 and phase 2 are absolutely required in order to get into humans safely, and both of those phases were completed. And the important part about that is, not only were they completed, but they waited a full 8 weeks after they were completed before anybody was allowed to get the vaccine that wasn't in the clinical trial. And that's to make sure there's no side effects coming up, 2 weeks later or 3 weeks later from your immune system. So that's how they do that. When they talk about the EUA, how come we have this vaccine so quickly? It's because there's literally a pile somewhere in the FDA, and I don't want to look at it, but it's probably taller than me, of the drugs that they need to approve. All an EUA does, it doesn't change how much research you have to do or how safe the drug has to be. It just changes where on the pile the file goes. So rather than being on the bottom of the pile and being 380 drugs till you get to our new vaccine, that vaccine goes on the top. So it's the next one you pull off and the next one the FDA reviews. So really all you did was just jump in line. You didn't skip any of the steps. I try not to spend too much time on the internet, but you get to see lots of different theories. And none of those theories about why this vaccine isn't safe hold any water whatsoever. And I've went through them on previous discussions, and I'm happy to go through them again.